Today's video will introduce you to the basics of HTML, and the first thing we will be talking about is what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to structure and format the content of a website. A markup language is a computer language used to add structure and format to a text document. This is the structure of an HTML page, so we will head over to VS Code to do that over there. In order to generate the structure for our web page, there is a keyboard shortcut that we can use, and it's Shift plus exclamation mark. You can do that on your laptop. Shift plus exclamation mark, then you hit the enter key. Now it's going to generate the structure for you, and the doc type that you are seeing over here shows that the document is an HTML document, and this HTML that I've highlighted over here is the root element. The HTML is the root element of an HTML page, and this lang that you are seeing, it means language, and the language is English, which is the shortcut for EN. The head tag contains the title of the page, this title which we are seeing as document, and then it also contains the metadata as well. The body contains the main content of the page. Our next lesson will be on HTML element, so I'll see you there.